there, it's me, Rubbish Ruby. You can just call me Ruby though. Unless you hate me, then you can call me Rubbish Ruby, and I have made it very easy for you. Let's try to get this video to 20 likes. My last video I wanted to get to 15 likes and we did it. So let's get to 20 on this one. So make sure you're liking the video right now. Did you do it? Okay, cool. Anyways, today we're continuing my series of trying to make things I see on Etsy and Pinterest. And we're here with a mini skirt with a slit by Not Your Cherry Designs on Etsy. That is the pattern I used. It will be here. It will be linked below as well as always. I'm really excited. I want to make some Halloween-y shit. Like, I'm ready for Halloween. It is currently August 2nd and I am ready for Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween time. So I'm going to be looking for some spooky fabrics. So let's head over to Joann's. Take it away, future Ruby. Which is actually past Ruby, because I'm filming this after I've already gotten the fabric, but you don't know that. Shh. Future Ruby. Did you say hello, past Ruby? It's me, Joann's Ruby. We're gonna go in and find some fabric. Why are you still recording? Stop getting close, cause
Wait, this is kind of cool.
Oh, that moon.
Yeah. Got some weight to it.
Spooky moon. That would be cool in our bedroom. Look at the snake. Look at the snake. Look at the snake right now. It's kind of cool. We have to find slave fabric. I don't know why.
What kind of fabric are we looking for?
For a skirt.
What colors?
I don't know, anything. I kind of just go into it and I'm trying, I don't know. My brain is not working today. This would be kind of slight. It would be like a real Barbie moment, to be honest. But I don't think I want to go for Barbie. This is cute. This would be a cute for a skirt, I feel like. Or one of these. Ooh, I could do like Halloween like skirt, you know? Like maybe this fabric. You think that would be kind of slight?
It'd be cool.
Or like that one would be cute too. So I have decided right now, right here, I should be planning for the fall because I need fall clothes. What? Why are you looking at me like that? After seeing all these flannels, that I want to do a fall theme. So I can be a cool fall bitch. Kind of like this, and it's 30% off right now.
Fashion.
We're gonna hold on to this though for now. What if I shit my pants? Plot twist, I make 2 skirts.
Because you like that material?
No, this one's cool.
Ooh.
That one's pretty funky, isn't it? Little moon moment.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I really want that fabric. It needs to be not a stretchy fabric. I could do one of these. I would make a jean skirt.
Is this gonna be like a Dora Explorer? You're gonna like look at the camera and be like,
for some cool fabric.
what do you see? You already found some.
I know.
This is good. This is good.
Little bears. There's not that off girl fabric where it's like hot babe. You have like a hot babe on it.
Oh yeah, that's like my favorite fabric that I've seen here.
Just for a wee bit of clarification, there's this one fabric that has like hot girls on it. And I was looking for that fabric, but unfortunately could not find it. We'd seen it the last few times we went to Joann's, so I was really hopeful, but it is gone. Baby, it's gone.
I'm not really seeing any other fabric that I like, so I think we're just gonna stick with one skirt.
Okay.
I have a bunch of spooky fabrics. Little ghost guys. Little bones. Boner? I hardly know. I just need to get interfacing, so I'm gonna get one of these guys.
You guys can thank Daniel again for getting footage of the Joann's person cutting out our fabric. She was worried we were gonna like talk to Joann's corporate and get her fired. I'm like, no, never. We would never do that to you. So thanks to her for cutting out our fabric and letting us record it. We appreciate it. You're here single-handedly making my content better. Look at the skill. Oh my god, get her a raise.
Just need to get an invisible zipper, which is like under 9 inches.
You said under 9 inches?
Yeah. I guess this one's 7 to 9 inches. Do you think that one will match fine, or should I get like a gray one?
I think that'll be fine. There's black in it.
Once I got my fabric and my zipper, all I needed was some thread. I bought some more black thread because you can never have enough black thread, to be honest. And we were done at Joann's. Let's go home. Yay! Here I am just going through and putting the pattern pieces together. This is always so time consuming, and I honestly kind of like doing it, you know? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of enjoy it. It's kind of like a little puzzle, but like not really.
So today is day one of working on the skirt, the Nova mini skirt with the slit. I'm very excited. Right now I'm feeling pretty confident. I am going to be putting the pattern pieces together, and then we'll go from there. I have a silly little $7 coffee today. I wanted to share it. This is kind of my go-to when I go to this specific shop, is a large iced caramel latte with extra shots of espresso, because I need the energy. I need the energy, bitch.
Here I am now just cutting out the pattern pieces so that I'm able to cut them out onto fabric. Here I am now cutting the fabric out. I didn't do this right. I accidentally cut it on the wrong way, and also I didn't really pay attention to the pattern pieces, so the pattern isn't very consistent in the skirt, if that makes sense. So I was kind of stupid with that, so that's definitely something to remember for next time for me. Here I am sewing some pieces together and also trying to match them up according to the pattern, matching the pieces up, so that the zipper is on the right side and that the slit is on the right side as well. I was also very on top of ironing things because I did not want to screw anything up. I wanted this skirt to be perfect.
So I was really confident going into this, but all my confidence is gone because I don't think I cut it out right, first of all. Second of all, I fucked up on what side I put the interfacing on. I'm frustrated and I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I don't have that much knowledge of zippers. I have very few zippers that I have sewn onto garments, so I'm dealing with that currently right now, trying to wrap my little brain around it. So yeah, right now I'm not feeling so hot. I feel like this is gonna kind of turn out like not that great, and I feel like I wish I would have put more time into cutting out the fabric and making it look more like, I don't know, nice and even. I don't know. I'm frustrated. I'm here with an update. I got the zipper sewed in and I don't think it's that bad. There is like a part at the bottom, which I think is just because I wasn't sure how to sew it down. It looks a little goofy, but other than that, it's coming together. So I'm kind of hoping that I'm kind of using my own brain for the rest of this and hoping that I do it right. And this is no fault to the pattern maker. I tend to get really confused with patterns, which is, I used to literally only make my own patterns because I got so confused by patterns that pre-exist. So I'm hoping that this will still turn out cute and well. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna finish up the rest of the skirt. Okay, I'm here with updates and I actually have the skirt on. So this skirt, despite all of my fuck-ups, turned out really, really cute and like really slay. So I'm like, okay, I want to try and make another one. I remembered I have this fabric here, which is like literally perfect. Halloween, spooky. It's purple, green, orange, all the good Halloween colors. Perfect for Halloween in my opinion. And so I think I'm gonna try and make it again out of that fabric, and I'm going to try and really take my time cutting out the fabric correctly, making sure I'm going through the motions correctly. I know how to sew it now, and I think I'm not going to use the instructions anymore because sometimes I don't like the way instructions will go about different steps. There's nothing wrong with this tutorial at all. It's a really easy to understand tutorial, and I think that anyone can do it. But there are just certain things, like I prefer to sew zippers on a slightly different way than the instructions said, if that makes sense. Because there's so many different ways to do different things with sewing. And I think I want to try to do just, you know, I just want to try and make this as good as I can out of this purple fabric. So I'll have 2 new skirts, and yeah. So let's get on to making the second skirt. Alright, and here is video of the skirts completed. I'm really proud of myself with this project. I feel like I really pushed myself to do my best and to really do the best job I could, if that makes sense. With the second skirt especially, since I wanted to make sure the fabric would line up so it wasn't like a pattern. The pattern wasn't weird, and that's what the finished skirts look like. I'm really happy with how these turned out. The pattern was perfect, it was easy to follow, and it fit perfectly. It was everything I wanted and expected from this project. The first time I put together the skirt, I went with the directions and instructions from the pattern, but for the second skirt I actually kind of did it my own way, a way that I found it more comfortable. It worked better for me in my little brain. Everyone has their own techniques and their own ways that they learned how to sew, and I feel like any pattern you can kind of change to be a way you are more comfortable with, if that makes sense. But I was so happy that I remembered I had this other fabric so I could make another skirt, and it's very fall Halloween vibes. I feel like it would look really cute with tights and some little leg warmers and some big boots and like a basic shirt or even a crazy shirt. Like, who the hell cares? Wear what the fuck you want, you know? But I'm so proud of my work today, or this past week I guess. And I'm excited to learn more and to continue this like video project, I guess. If you liked this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. And also, thank you for 300 subscribers. That's crazy. I didn't expect to gain so many subscribers as I have this past week, which maybe it doesn't seem like a lot to other people, but it seems like a lot to me. So thank you for that. If you're interested in this kind of content, make sure you subscribe as well. I've been posting weekly. I don't really have a schedule though at the moment because I don't want to force myself to record if I don't want to, or to work on a project if I don't want to. But I'm excited to see what I create next and my journey with sewing and crafting and crocheting. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care of yourself, drink some water, eat some food, take your meds, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!